For your lead, Sikat moving up down on the inside, then followed by Big Nevada Kingship racing in fourth from the outside, and moving up is Fortune Hunter next in line, Backsmear, and trailing the group. Swing, swing, swing as they race towards the half mile. Big Nevada leading the field, Digami on the outside, moving up Fortune Hunter as they race towards the 600 meters pole. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Big Nevada, Digami in between runners. Fortune Hunter from the outside. Kingship, Sikat, Backsmear as they race towards the final corner. Now the course of the wind has been altered as Fortune Hunter takes up the running over Big Nevada, Digami in between runners. Then moving up once again, Sikat. Backsmear is on the outside, and Kingship with Fortune Hunter leading the field, running by the rail. Sikat and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Now we have Sikat, Backsmear on the outside. Backsmear, Sikat is by the rail with 50 meters, the horse of Mayor Ben Harabalos. Backsmear, Sikat, Fortune Hunter, then comes Digami. Swing, swing, swing. 5 Kingship and Big Nevada.